A tool that did not exist 3 years ago just hit a $6.6 billion valuation. It went from $0 to $300 million in annual revenue in under 12 months, one of the fastest ramps in the history of software. And it works by you simply describing the app you want, in plain English. This is Lovable. And in the next 3 minutes, I will show you exactly what it builds, what it costs, and the honest truth about where it breaks down. Welcome to Zerocodelaunch. Honest AI tool reviews every single day. Let's get into it. Here is what Lovable actually does. You type a sentence like create a SaaS dashboard that lets users track tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with their team. Lovable generates a complete working application, not a mock-up, a real app, with the front-end interface, the back-end database, user login, and authentication. And even Stripe payment processing, all from that one sentence. It builds on React and Tailwind CSS for the interface and Supabase for the backend. As of 2026, it has over 8 million registered users and was named one of Time Magazine's most influential companies of the year. The speed is genuinely the headline feature. Most users can build and deploy a working app in under an hour. Founders are turning ideas into demonstrable prototypes in as little as 10 minutes. One user with zero coding background built a full SaaS application with user login and a database in 2 weeks, something that would have been completely impossible for them before this tool existed. Here's the most important detail that separates Lovable from a typical no-code website builder. It generates real, clean, production-grade code. You are not locked into their platform. Lovable syncs directly with GitHub, both ways, so a real developer can take the code and continue building outside the platform anytime. You genuinely own everything you build. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where I need to give you the full honest picture. The free plan gives you 5 credits a day, up to 30 a month. Good enough to test the platform and build a simple prototype, not enough for serious production work. The pro plan is $25 a month for 100 credits. The business plan is $50 a month with unlimited team members and SSO support. Here is the part most reviews skip. The credit system is not transparent. A basic app structure might cost 2 credits. A single button color change might cost half a credit. But authentication, payment integration, and bug fixes can burn 30 to 60 credits in one sitting. Real users report that 100 monthly credits often run out before the month is even halfway done, especially on anything beyond a simple prototype. If you are budgeting for this tool, plan for top-up purchases as a near certainty, not an edge case. So here is my honest verdict after digging through real user data and reviews. Lovable is genuinely excellent for landing pages, investor demos, internal tools, and rapid prototypes. The community consensus by 2026 is this: Lovable gets you about 70% of the way to a finished product fast and cheap. The remaining 30% takes real iteration and real credits. The smart workflow that has emerged build your first 70 to 80% in Lovable because it is fast and cheap, export to GitHub, then finish the final stretch in a tool like Cursor. If you have an idea and zero coding background, Lovable is the single best place to start in 2026. Just budget realistically for the credit system once you move past the prototype stage. Free plan link is in the description. Subscribe to Zerocodelaunch. I review a new AI tool every single day. This is Zerocodelaunch. Stay plugged in.